Hello, my name is Mark Browne and I'm a partner with Dechert. Dechert is an international law firm with 26 offices around the world, including 8 here in Europe. Financial services is one of the key areas of focus of our law firm, and I specialise in advising asset managers on the establishment and ongoing operation of pooled investment vehicles, especially those domiciled in Europe or targeting European investors. Well, at the moment, we're all living with the restrictions imposed as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, and this has clearly brought into sharp focus the potential impact that government regulations can have on business. It also necessitated the adoption of safeguarding measures by businesses and prompted explanations and disclosures by them of how they are ensuring compliance for the benefit and protection of both employees and clients. However, while this is clearly an extreme and hitherto unparalleled situation, in recent years we have been witnessing an increase in governmental and regulatory concerns with environmental, social and governance, or ESG, issues pertaining to businesses. Discussions, think tanks and recommendations of best practice are being supplemented by actual regulations, some of which are soon to become effective. What this essentially means at a macro level is that ESG issues are moving from primarily being a potential focus of marketing strategy to being key areas of disclosure subject to specific regulatory requirements. Tune into the Bosco seminar on Wednesday, the May 27th to hear about specific regulations which are being implemented and how they will impact on the asset management community.